Welcome to She Builds Again, my story and our first project. They say that when one door closes in your life, you should look for a window to open. That's good advice, but I've always been a little more hands-on. I say, why not just build a whole new door? One that's stronger, more beautiful, and exactly the way you want it. Hey everyone, my name is Sufyan and welcome to my brand new channel, She Builds Again. I am so incredibly happy you're here for day one. That name, She Builds Again, is the heart and soul of this entire journey. It's about so much more than just lumber and nails, it's about the fundamental, powerful act of starting over. A little while ago, the blueprint of my life felt like it had been torn up. I went through a major life change that left my foundation feeling pretty shaky. In the middle of all that uncertainty and mess, I found a strange sense of clarity in my garage. I picked up a hammer, then a saw, and then a sander. I realized that the physical act of creating something tangible, of taking broken or raw materials and building something new, wasn't just fixing a wobbly table. It was fixing a little piece of me. It was creating order from chaos. This channel is my story of rebuilding, both literally and figuratively, and I want to share it with you. It's for anyone out there who's ever had to start fresh and needs a reminder that we have the power within us to build the life we truly want. So what can you expect here? Well, first off, this is a 100% American-made channel. We'll be working in feet and inches, making trips to Home Depot and Lowe's, and tackling projects you'd find in homes right here in the USA. We'll be doing real-world renovations, not just a fresh coat of paint, but taking rooms down to the studs and reimagining them completely. We'll also tackle those satisfying weekend DIYs that make a house feel like a home, and of course, we'll be giving old, forgotten pieces of furniture a second chance through woodworking and refinishing. Most importantly, this is not a highlight reel. I am not a professional contractor, I am learning as I go. I promise to show you my mistakes, the frustrating moments, and the lessons learned, because that's where the real growth happens. And I couldn't make an introduction video without revealing our very first project. Come on, let me show you. This is where we begin. This guest bathroom hasn't been touched since the 1980s. We've got that lovely shade of beige on the walls, peel and stick vinyl floors that have seen better decades, and a faucet that drips a constant, tiny reminder of its age. It's small, it's uninspired, and it's the perfect blank slate. My vision is to gut this entire space and transform it into a modern, serene oasis with clean lines, beautiful tile, and a vanity that actually has storage. It's ambitious, and I'm honestly a little terrified, which is exactly why it's the perfect place to start. I truly believe this channel should be a community, a place where we can encourage each other. So if you believe in second chances and the spirit of building something with your own two hands, I would be so honored if you would subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the first swing of the sledgehammer. And for my very first question to all of you, leave a comment below and tell me about one project you've always dreamed of doing but have been a little too intimidated to start. Let's build a space where we can cheer each other on. Thank you so much for being here. I've got my plans, I've got my tools, and I'm ready to build again. I'll see you in the next video.